Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Montes, Director of the Trade Technology Programs here at Southwest University. I want to take this time to thank you for considering Southwest University in your educational career. If you're not aware right now, the welding industry is booming. Here at Southwest University, we have a state-of-the-art welding lab with top-of-the-line welders and equipment. Our 60-week welding certificate program here at Southwest University provides our students with an array of skills and fundamentals needed to be successful in the welding industry. Here in our welding lab, our students practice on top-of-the-line equipment from Miller, Lincoln, and everything in between. You will learn everything from the basics of welding and cutting, blueprint reading, all the way through structural and pipe welding. Take confidence in knowing that you'll be learning from the best. Here at Southwest University, our welding instructors are top-of-the-line certified. We have a CWI and a CWE. The welding instructors here at Southwest University pride themselves on sharing their knowledge and preparing our students for a fast-paced and awesome industry in the welding trade. If you're looking for a skill set that will provide an awesome lifetime of great earning potential, stop by or call us today.